Hello everyone, thank you for supporting Physio Sports and being with us. Today's topic is liver system in sports. Livers are vital part of the sports biomechanics. In liver systems, we are going to learn which livers are used in various sports specific movements. Then after mechanical advantages of livers in sports, liver at joints and liver used in various exercises including sport drills, gym exercises, calisthenics and etc. First of all, liver in sports. Why we learn liver in sports? Liver provides wide range of motions, allow sports person to more move object at large distance. Liver systems let you lift heavy weight and with mechanical advantages. When we run, lift weight, throw a ball and kick a ball, we are using lever. Lever system comprises of rigid bar which moves on a fixed point called a fulcrum. When any external force applied, which is known as effort, the resistance which is going to move is known as load. Now types of lever. This is first class lever. Seesaw is a day-to-day life examples. And head to football, it's a sporting example. Now second class lever in which load lies in middle in between fulcrum and the effort. Wheelbarrow is the day-to-day life example and sporting example is starting of the sprinting or running. Now third class lever in which effort lies in middle in between fulcrum and the load. Force applied to the lever is input force and force applied by lever is output force, which is also known as the load. This is sporting example, throwing the ball. Now first football. In football there is use of lever to get wide range of motion, speed and quickness, better swing and kick the ball into net. First class lever used when footballer had to head a football. Second class lever used when player jump to kick the ball at the time plantar flexion of the ankle occurs. And third class lever used to kick the ball by extending the knee from the flexion. And also running and jumping uses third class lever. Now volleyball spike includes takeoff, maximum external rotation and ball contact. First class lever used when player head up to watch the ball. Second class lever used while jumping to block a shot. Then third class to shoot the ball and running. Now follow through. For jump shot, player comes on tip of the toe to jump. At this time, second class lever used. Then in throwing ball into net, use the third class lever. Now baseball, it's similar to the throwing the ball, uses third class lever. And when player run, it's also third class lever. Baseball bat act as a lever which use third class lever. Now cricket, in cricket, bowling and batting both uses third class lever, but while bowling, when bowler jump, it uses second class lever. Now hockey, in hockey stick is act as a lever. The second class lever uses in jump, otherwise third class lever in goal and running. Now tennis, tennis racket also act as a lever which is third class lever. When player head up to watch the ball for the smash is used first class lever. In running and throwing the ball it uses third class lever. In running, the starting of the running uses second class lever, then rest is used third class lever at the hip and the knee joint. In sprinting also, at the starting point, athlete push against the blocks act as a second class lever, then uses third class lever. Now in jumping, includes long jump, high jump, triple jump. The run up phase of the jumping uses third class lever, and while takeoff it's a second class lever. In gymnastics, there is two kind of lever uses, the front lever and the back lever. Is a gymnastic and calisthenic move. It's a static hold which is normally performed over steel rings or the bar. This lever requires higher strength of the core and the back muscles. Then back lever performed by the lowering from inverted hang position until gymnast's body comes into parallel with the ground and facing towards the floor. It requires higher strength of the chest and shoulder and also a lot of core tension to stay horizontal. Second class lever used in the ballet dancers also. Now pole vault. In pole vault, when athlete put the pole on the ground and starting to jump, pole act as a second class lever. Now golf. In golf, golf clubs act as a lever which is third class lever. Then swimming. Swimming is similar to the running. In swimming, swimmer's body is an object which is moved by the using lever. Arm act as a lever in swimming. The second class lever used during dive, otherwise third class lever in the pull through phase. Now there is some example of the throws. Discus throws, shot put, javelin throw. Discus throw uses second and third class lever. Second class lever while come in onto the 1 foot. Javelin throw also uses second and the third class lever. In this also athlete come on over the 1 foot. Next is the mechanical advantages of liver in sports. For this, stay tuned with the Physio Sports. Thank you.